Google Ads Performance Max, how it works, and when to use it. Welcome to today's video where we break down Google Ads Performance Max. This innovative campaign type is designed to help you reach more potential customers across all of Google's advertising channels. Performance Max leverages Google's advanced machine learning algorithms to optimize ad performance in real time. It unifies Google's various ad platforms, including Search, Display, YouTube, and Discover, to maximize conversions based on your specific goals. One of the standout features of Performance Max is its automation. By providing Google's AI with your campaign objectives, budget, assets, and audience signals, it can automatically determine the best allocation of your ads across channels to achieve optimal results. So when should you consider using Performance Max? If you're looking to launch a comprehensive advertising strategy but lack the time or resources to manually manage multiple campaigns, Performance Max can be an ideal solution. It's perfect for businesses that want to leverage Google's expansive reach while utilizing advanced data-driven optimization. Performance Max is also beneficial for advertisers focusing on multi-channel marketing strategies. Instead of siloed efforts across different platforms, you can centralize your approach, ensuring a cohesive brand presence. However, it's essential to have clear marketing goals, as setting precise performance metrics can guide Google's AI in driving the best results possible for your campaign. In conclusion, Performance Max offers a powerful, all-in-one solution for achieving broad advertising objectives with minimal manual intervention. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into digital marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.